Sister, how are you up about the smoky sky? I have never seen you. I wonder why. The smoke it makes my chest so light. For every breath I must so fight.
मछली रंजी थी रानी, जीवन उसका था पानी। पानी में प्लास्टिक फेंकते रहे हम, मछली को तड़पते देते रहे हम। धीरे धीरे मर गई मछलियाँ सारी, बस रह गई फेंकती हुई चीजें हमारी।
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water, but all the water has dried up. The world is now much hotter. So Jack and Jill sat on the hill. Their throats were so dry they couldn't find a drop to drink, and neither will I.
सबसे पहले बदल जाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा बचपन क्लाइमेट चेंज होने की वजह से बदल रहा है।
After it, I invited Ume Palwa for a speech.
Ume Parva and I am from grade 3. After the performance on climate change, I am further telling you about climate change. Climate change is harming our earth. The planet is getting hotter. The